Many older bathrooms will only have just one light fixture right in the center of the ceiling, and that can be very frustrating. If you're standing in front of the vanity, you'll have a bit of a shadow there that can just really not provide you adequate light. So that's why having some task lighting really makes a lot of sense, and a wall-mounted fixture like this can allow you to put one of these on each side of the mirror to balance that lighting out. Now, if you have a situation where you just don't have room for a fixture on either side of that mirror, you can go with some of the multi-bulb fixtures that are available, and it's just about endless the different styles and finishes they're available in. But it's also still a good idea to have that ambient light in the center of the room, and you don't have to compromise there. You can have some really good looking fixtures, more contemporary looking, a little more traditional, very easy to upgrade that fixture. But also have some fun with it, and you can put some decorative fixtures in, like a pendant light. Now, if you have a large enough room, you might even consider a small chandelier, especially if you have a nice little tub area you want to accent, maybe even putting a dimmer on it. That can really be a very nice look in your bathroom.